Today we are looking at grind size calibration. Now traditionally on our existing grinders you need tools to do this, but we'll show you with the new Grind-by-Sync grinders that you can do this without any tools and it is very easy. So to begin, let's show you how to do this on one of our traditional grinders with grind size adjustment manually. If you're ever going to access the burrs on your grinder or removing the hopper, while there is a safety switch, always unplug your grinder as good practice. Remember, safety first. Remove your hopper. To remove the lid of your espresso grinder, you're going to need a Torx 20 or a flathead screwdriver. Another thing to note here, you only want to loosen these screws, not completely remove them. Then you can unlock the lid and remove it. Like that. Next, there is a black clip just here with a spring. Pull that back and firmly pull upwards. Now you can see there is a wheel just to the right hand side. This will control the coarseness or fineness of your grind. Now what you're going to do is spin the burrs with your finger while changing the grind finer until you hear the burrs begin to touch. Hear that? Then simply back it off just slightly, and that is zero calibrated. Now you're going to want to replace your lid at the 0 setting. There is a small mark on the lid of the grinder and you want to line that up with the adjustment tab and push down. With that securely in place, you can replace your lid, lock the collar, and then tighten up your screws. So now your grinder is 0 calibrated. So that's how you do it on our existing traditional grinders. Now let's show you how you do it with the new Grind-by-Sync. Now with the new Grind-by-Sync grinders, as well as sync capability, they also have automatic grind size adjustment, or AGSA. To 0 calibrate, this is actually done from the service menu. Let's show you how to do it.
Okay, so hit the bottom left button, which will take you into the main menu. User management, and then log in. Next, toggle the small I icon. This will just make it a little easier to see what you are typing. Next, enter the user password. This one is 1924. You should know this already, as it's our birthday. Once logged in, press the top left button to navigate back once to the main menu. Navigate down to Service, and then down to Disk Distance Calibrate. You will be given a brief instruction of how this actually works. You're essentially going to hold the top left purge button to run the grinder. Then turn the jog wheel to bring the burrs closer together. As you do this slowly, you will hear the burrs begin to chirp. Then you want to back it off slightly, stop the grinder, and then hit back and save.
So that is how you calibrate the new Grind-by-Sync grinders by Mahlkönig. So it's all thanks to this electric motor. So this, combined with the measurement taken with the DDD, or the disk distance detection, the two work together to really give you a very accurate way of adjusting your grind. It's measured by the micron, which is actually measuring the distance between the burrs. So it's just incredibly accurate and far more accurate than you could ever imagine with our existing grinders. So we hope that video was helpful and we'll see you in the next video.